Hi, I'm Hunter.
And I'm Miles, and today we'll be making low-carb, protein-filled Rice Krispie treats. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quick Keto Cooking with Low Carb Kids. Anyway, here is what you need.
You will need Rice Krispie cereal. Keep in mind, the full recipe is in the link in the description. You'll need a scale to measure it.
Keep in mind, for the Rice Krispie cereal, you can use any other brand. The Rice Krispie brand is the most expensive. So you can use any off-brand
or store brand. You will need a wooden spoon, a pot, some butter, vanilla, a pinch of salt, a bowl, vanilla protein powder.
Keep in mind that all of them taste different. Use one that you like and that you prefer.
You also need some keto marshmallows, preferably marshmallows, because these are the tastiest. If you don't use it, it will get sticky.
And they work the best. You can buy these at Walmart. Also, keep in mind that in 2024, each bag costs $5. So you should save money on the Rice Krispie cereal. Anyway, let's get cooking. Get your stick of butter, cut out the measurement, and we're gonna put this on low heat while we measure out the ingredients. Now that our butter is melting at low heat in the pot, I know you can't see it, we have to measure our Rice Krispie cereal. Okay? This is the scale that we are using. We are using grams to measure. Put the bowl on and click tare. It should go to 0. It is on. Now we have to make the measurement 170 grams. So when you're done weighing this, you should have 170 grams. Set it aside. Get another bowl. Add 100 grams of your protein powder.
Once you're done measuring the 100 grams of protein powder, put it aside.
When the butter is melted, add your 2 bags of marshmallows, your salt, a pinch of salt, and your vanilla extract. Add it to the butter and then mix until the marshmallows are melted on medium heat.
At this point, all the marshmallows have been melted into the butter, so it's time to add in the protein powder. Add it in about 3 seconds.
We're adding the last part of our protein powder. Keep in mind, you have to mix until you cannot see any more protein powder into in the bowl. When you are done adding the protein powder into the pot and you cannot see it anymore, add your Rice Krispie cereal into the bowl. Keep in mind, you have to do this fast because it is very thick to mix and very hard to mix. You also should add 1/3 at a time. That makes it easier. Okay, I sprayed my 8x8 pan with olive oil, and now I'm going to add my Rice Krispie mix to it. Right now, I got a piece of plastic where I can put it over it, and I'm pressing down on it to flatten it and make it smooth. When you are done pressing down on it, you can put it in the refrigerator or let it sit at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours. This is what it looks like after it's been in the fridge for 1 hour. We cut these into 9 squares. Each square has 11 grams of protein, 150 calories, and 24 grams of carbs. Time to taste. Ten out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.